All right, so we have the top plate cleared out so where we can put a new one up there. We have to add a couple studs. We'll add sisters like we did over there. Another sister there. We're going to put a 2x4 back in across for a top plate all the way down.
I said, well, probably people that working and stuff have a hard time getting it. He said, no, he said, my nephew stayed in my daddy's house. He said him and his wife.
First 4 sheets down. Start going across. We'll get that done today. All the 4 runs. Start tomorrow right here because we have some rotten rafters we have to work with. So make sure you hit the bell notification because we're going to be doing rafters tomorrow. We'll show you how. Pretty sure it's going to be. You watch. I almost feel like it's perfectly straight. We took Rhino roofing felt, synthetic, turned it into underbelly that was basically gone, as you've seen, especially on these outside edges. I like the way Paul folded his up. I can't show you mine. Doesn't look as good as his.
You showed me how to do it.
I showed him how to do it, and his still looks better. That's good to have a good man with you working. Do a better job than you do. All right, I'll show mine. 14 3/8. Got a lot going on here, Paul. We've had this old gray pipe still under here, so we've had a few connections. Got some gator clips, gator joints, whatever you call them. We're just going to tear it out and reframe the whole thing the way we would want to see it. And I guess later on down the road, if he wants to take it, if he wants to take it apart, he could. One of the most important parts is closing the gap. If you do not put double blocking on this outside wall screwed right into your existing outside band, so you've got a single, you're going to want to put a double in order to bring it out, because that's when, if we put one, we don't have anything to screw our new underlayment to, or floor to. If you have 2, that gives you 1.5 inches, and that also, if I was to put a piece of plywood down there right now, it would be open to the underneath of the house. That closes everything off. This is the difference. This is the difference. Blocking T&G. Big difference. A lot of people don't do the full blocking, and it needs it badly. Finished. All vents reinstalled, completely taped up. Use 3M tape, which is pretty good stuff. Vents all done. Vents all done. He's got to replace, put new ones on. He's getting flooring in over this. He's getting some flooring over this. It's a full floor redo, front to back. The only spot we didn't do was under the toilet. He didn't want to remove it. And under the tub, he did not want to remove that. He just had an estimate today for a guy to come in here and redo that completely. Bedroom and closet. All right, guys, it has been a pleasure. Been a pleasure sharing my time and my knowledge with you. I'm not perfect, but a little bit that I do know, I like to share. Please hit a thumbs up for me. I would appreciate that. Give me a thumbs up, maybe even a subscribe, because I'm sure there'll be more mobile home stuff coming. I believe my next job is actually coming up. Second week in January. All right, guys, till next time, we will see you on the other side.